Did you lock the door number 6? Would you like me to help you open? Okay, door number 4. That one, it's still locked. You need help? Okay, let me help you. You have to push this up. And then take this out like that, and you can open now. What's in there? We have one purple pony. How about in door number 4? You have to move this up. Okay. There are 4 red rabbits. Door number 5. Door number 6. What's in door number 6? And you want to close door number 3. Open, change your mind. You want to open it. What's in there? Can I see it? 3 yellow cats. I'm gonna close the door and lock. Don't forget to lock. They will escape. Here, Rafael, lock. Put the hook. Hook. Door number 5. Push to your left. Like this. Push to your left and up. Put it on the side and open. Here, you can use the hole here to open. Like that. Very good, anak. 5 green frogs. Oh, there's a strand of hair. I think that's mom's. Sorry. 5 green frogs. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. How about number 2? Door number 2. You didn't open door number 2. What's in there? What do you see? 1, 2. There are 2 blue dogs. Yahoo! What's the sound of the dog? Ruff, 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 ruff. Or bow, wow, wow, wow. Or woof, 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 woof. What's in door number 6? Can we close the doors first? So open number 6. Oh, I saw that. There's like 2 what? 2 blue dogs. How about door number 6? What's in door number 6? 6 orange fish. Can you make a fishy face? Yeah. Do you like the doors? You like to play the doors? This is from Melissa and Dog. Beautiful. Different colors with latches and locks. Look, there are 5 green frogs on door number 5. Don't forget to lock. Door number 4, we have 4 red rabbits. And we can lock it like that. We can lock it like that. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Say goodbye. Thanks for watching.